vacuum cleaning on the European koi show. Not to keep the house tidy, but after fish have mated here in the koi vat, you can see there's a lot of eggs. It's completely full, and if you do not clean it, the ammonia will rise in this vat until toxic levels, so it has to be vacuumed straight away. As you can see, there are enough volunteers here eagerly willing to help and support the koi in their health during their stay here at the koi show. And this is just something that belongs to the things that happen at a koi show, because it's hot, sun is rising, temperatures are rising, and yeah, then fish start